Really sound investment, not only economically but in road safety as well.
Guys are having to build it, under traffic with in the order of 50,000 vehicles a day going through the job.
The Kwinana Freeway is a vital and important piece of road infrastructure which connects Perth's ever-growing suburbs to the city and beyond. Each day, 100,000 road users traverse parts of the 70-kilometre giant. The freeway enables the efficient delivery of commerce. It provides an effective transport corridor into the state's capital city. It keeps business moving, transporting stock and other necessities to maintain supply. In many ways, it helps contribute to the high standard of living we all enjoy in Western Australia. One section of the freeway between Leach and Roe Highway has become a bottleneck during peak times. It's a 4.5-kilometre stretch, and it's in the midst of a major upgrade.
This is an important strategic project in terms of traffic flows and managing congestion on a major route into and out of our city.
The planned upgrade will add an extra lane in each direction. This will mean more effective travel times and less need to merge, which means safer driving.
This section of Kwinana Freeway basically forms part of the freight route from Kudal and the industrial subdivisions in the east through to the Port of Fremantle.
Main Roads has appointed Highway Construction to complete and manage the project. The project has tight deadlines and clearly defined objectives.
It's a very short duration which they've been given to construct the project. Obviously they've had to organise things in such a way that they construct it the most efficiently in order to complete it by the due time.
Plus they have to manage 50,000 vehicles passing through the work site each morning and again in the evening. The managers at Highway Construction will use all their skills to ensure they achieve all the key objectives. The job needs to be completed on time and budget. It needs to meet environmental goals. It must be completed safely and cause as little disruption as possible. There has been a lot of construction activity in the area. As well as the freeway upgrade, the new Fiona Stanley Hospital is being built nearby.
From Main Road's point of view, the challenges are probably the management of the traffic, trying to minimise the impact on the travelling public.
Barriers have been erected to protect workers and to enable traffic lanes to stay open.
The core of the widening works is all completed during the day behind barriers, and the existing 2-lane infrastructure there is maintained.
Speed limits have been dropped to 60 kilometres to slow vehicles passing through the narrower lanes. But in real terms, traffic can still flow efficiently. At peak time, drivers cannot travel at the 80-kilometre speed because of the congestion. To assist Highway Construction in completing the project and keep the community informed, Main Roads WA formed a community reference group. It's a group of local people who meet regularly with Highway Construction and Main Roads WA to discuss the project and offer feedback about community perceptions and concerns.
But yeah, it's certainly good to be able to see the plans laid out in front of me and to understand where things are going and the extent of the works.
The group helps give a local perspective about key issues and how they impact the local community.
We can sit down with senior engineers from the Main Roads Department and road construction companies and discuss things at a grassroots level and get to a good resolution quite easily.
Noise walls are very important to residents as they reduce noise from the freeway.
There's a fair few things to factor into all of the noise wall alignments, with the impact on vegetation that has to be pulled down and impact on services that are under the ground, and also the requirements that we've got from Main Roads.
Before the carriageway could be widened, services, power and telecommunications cables need to be moved.
Work the design around some of those services or relocate those services as required. So that's been an extensive process. We're pretty much on top of that now.
The road widening will mean the need for realignment of on-ramps and off-ramps, as well as the construction of the new lane and also a new emergency stopping lane. Resurfacing works will be completed at night to help reduce impact on road users and to make the process safer for workers. Although this process will cause some inconvenience to local residents, Main Roads believes they will be able to improve the environmental experience for people living in nearby homes.
And we've done that via the construction of noise walls and also through trying to minimise the impact of the clearing.
Noise walls will reduce current and future traffic noise for residents. They work by deflecting noise away from homes. The widening project is well underway. It's going to improve the experience for road users, making journeys safer, improve traffic flows and more timely. The noise wall technology will reduce unwanted noise around homes, and the project will enhance the traffic corridor, giving security for commerce into the future.